Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video if you have a Hyundai Sonata, guys, and you're trying to find where the fuse for the canister valve solenoid is located. Stay with us, we'll explain that. It should work on this generation Hyundai Sonata from year 2004 to year 2015. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, cheap fuses, guys, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our parts from. Another thing, guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, what's the plan, guys? To make at least 200, guys, free electrical and diagnostic videos that will be shared on this channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we will have more than 300, guys, mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, the whole car apart, and we will show you how to fix pretty much anything. All that will be posted on our main YouTube channel. Okay, it's called How to Repair, guys, right here, guys. We have helped more than 100 million people, so let's go ahead and start on it now. Specifically, guys, we have a 2013 Hyundai Sonata right here. The Evap system is super complicated system, guys. We have a video how to replace the canister valve solenoid, where it's located and all that stuff. So all that will be on the channel. We'll be taking the car apart, as I said. We have so many videos, guys. So we have one fuse box right here. That's the main fuse box. You have one tap here, one there, squish, pull straight up. And if you look, guys, on the back side of the fuse box, okay, right here, you're going to see the fuse layout will correspond to what we have right here. So if you stay side by side, okay, you can compare, okay, fuses and all that stuff. So let me, guys, okay, show you what we'll be looking at now. The fuse, guys, that controls the canister valve solenoid actually is, guys, fuse that control the crankshaft position sensor, camshaft position sensor, variable timing, purge control valve, and the canister valve. It's a very, very important fuse, and without it your car may not even run, guys, or it will not run correctly. And it's this fuse number, and it's known as sensor 2 fuse 1 2 3 4 5. This fuse right here. So if you come this way, check it out, you have fuse number 1 2 3 4 5. It's this fuse right here, guys. So how you guys remove that fuse? Get the fuse puller, get on top of it now, and pull it. Now that's where things get interesting, guys. Some of you will look at the fuse and say, okay, the element inside looks good, so it's a good fuse, and put it back in. Then you still have the problems, guys. You spend money, time to fix your car, when all you had to do actually test that fuse and find out it's a bad fuse. We have a special video that explains how to test the fuse in just a few seconds, and we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Also, guys, if you need to buy replacement fuses for a really good price, we'll share that link as well. So definitely, guys, check it out. And if you're on the go, you need spare fuses, you can use this fuse here and this one over there, that's spare fuse as well. So you can see this is the fuse, guys, for the canister valve solenoid. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.